Are you curious how to open YouTube and watch videos on your computer or mobile phone? To start on your computer, simply open your preferred web browser and type in youtube.com into the address bar and press enter. On your mobile device, it's even easier. Just tap on the YouTube app icon on your home screen. Once you're in, you might wonder how to find all those videos everyone is talking about. Today we're going to unravel the mysteries of YouTube, teach you how to watch videos, and guide you through the process. By doing this, you will allow Google to monitor your every step. Think of it as deepening a friendship. You'll get to know each other better and find out what your likes and dislikes are. First things first. On a computer, simply type something into the search bar on YouTube's homepage and hit enter. On your mobile device, tap the magnifying glass icon, type something, then choose a suggested search entry, or tap enter. You're now in the world's biggest video library. However, to unlock a more personalized experience, having a Google account can be quite beneficial. Google may have even offered you this option when you first opened YouTube. So, how can a Google account enhance your YouTube experience? Well, it allows you to subscribe to channels, like and dislike videos, and leave comments. It's like having a library card. You can still enjoy the books without one, but having a card opens up more possibilities. Google has made creating a new account a simple process. You just need to provide some basic information and follow the instructions provided. Do it quickly. There is no need to read every word. Once you've created your account and signed in, you can start subscribing to your favorite channels. This way you'll get notified every time they upload new content. In case you already have a Google account, just log in and start watching. Now let's talk about privacy. YouTube, like many online platforms, does track your activity. The videos you watch, your search history, the time you spend, the channels you subscribe to, and the comments you leave are all tracked. But really, don't worry too much about that. All this is totally normal. Your online history is used to tailor your YouTube experience and to help the platform suggest videos you might like. There are also some other reasons why YouTube might be tracking you, but that doesn't affect your watching experience. Remember, YouTube considers it a matter of honor to protect privacy. There are two types of history on YouTube: watch history and search history. Your watch history is a list of videos that you've watched, while your search history is a list of terms you've searched for. Both of these histories help YouTube to recommend videos that align with your interests. But what if you don't want others to see what you've been watching or searching for? Well, you can always clear your histories or pause them, but it might be difficult to find these settings. Just leave them as they are. You might be also wondering if your actions are visible to others. Generally, your likes, subscriptions, and playlists can be seen by others if they visit your channel. However, you can adjust your privacy settings to control what others can see, but these options are also buried away somewhere deep in YouTube's settings, so don't bother, it's not a big deal. In conclusion, using YouTube is a simple process, but utilizing a Google account can significantly enhance your user experience. By doing this, Google can monitor you even better than before. You can, of course, control your privacy settings if you know how to do it, but you can also just go ahead, dive into the world of YouTube, and enjoy the content tailored just for you. It's totally safe.